What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can get back archived posts on Instagram. This is very easy guys. All you have to do is open your Instagram. I'm also going to show you guys how you can get back deleted posts or deleted stories on Instagram that you have deleted like permanently. You can get these photos and stories back. Now what you want to do guys, as you can see here guys, you want to click your profile at the very bottom right. As you can see, you want to click your profile at the very bottom right to get back archived posts on Instagram, and then click three little lines in the top right. And after that, you want to click on activity. After you click on activity, you want to click on here. It says here archived. Scroll down and click on archived. Now, after you click on archived, you can then choose what you want. In the top, you can click posts archive, click it, and then you can, like if you want to get back archived stories, you want to click on archive stories. If you want to get back posts archive, you want to click on posts archive. Now, if you want to get, let's say I want to get back this archived picture, I'm going to click three little dots in the top right of the picture, as you can see here. Sorry, three little dots in the top right. And then you can see here show on profile. This is very easy. All you have to do is click show on profile at the bottom, and this picture will appear on your profile grid again. Now if you want to get deleted stories that you have deleted, click on settings. Like I said, three little lines in the top right, then click settings, and then here you want to search for recently deleted. So the moment you click on recently deleted, this will appear. You want to click on manage recently deleted, and here you will find all the stories that you have deleted. Okay, these stories are deleted, you have deleted them, but make sure that they are not 30 days. Like if you have deleted this story like it's been 30 days has passed, then you won't find it here. Only stories that you have deleted in the last 30 days will appear here. Hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If it works, let me know in the comments. If you need any help, let me know in the comments.